Yo, what's up? It's currently 600 in the morning, but see that? Yeah, on the way to the Ambitious Whips meet for King's Dominion. We're gonna take a little cruise down there with the people that you saw in, I think it should be yesterday's video.
Fuck Chuck and you probably are dope.
That sucks though.
That would suck though, because like you work so hard trying to get a custom setup, and then someone just one time for 10 seconds looks under your car and they copy your fucking idea. Exactly. That shit fucking sucks.
Here's thieving motherfucker. You a thief.
I thought about doing like a C5.
But with me,
Shut that thing up, man.
This troublemaker right here.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You going on YouTube right now. Hi.
Both were GF. One was
the fam.
red one I have is built for boost. It was already built for boost. And there's a
Look at babe.
There's a tune.
B8.
Do it.
Just said do it.
I've already done it.
That's what she said.
I'll be right behind you.
Do it.
All right. Ready? We're ready to start gapping. Ready to start going.
This motherfucker is trying to get me hit with copyright shit, asshole.
But yeah, we're on our way to King's Dominion. But yeah, look at him, pressing shit.
I'm about to play it.
It's like, no, but yeah, copyright. Fuck you, nigga.
I know some things don't change. I know I can't. And I got these niggas shook, I don't even gotta look. I be in the hood, why these niggas reading books? I be with them crooks, putting money on they books. You be with them niggas that don't ever really look. Put their head down when they walk past us. I been getting money, so you know I can't fuck. I be with the business, I be really with the business. And I know the shit is hard, but you gotta stay up in it. Gotta stay grinding, gotta stay shining. Everybody wanna see you fail, but it's time. Right, your time could be tomorrow. Ay, so keep going hard. Ay, I know you might have a daughter. Okay, you might not know your father. Ay, but that ain't no excuse. My brody made the news. I hope they let him loose. I hope they never boast. Any of his time, I be rapping all the time. He be laughing all the time. Ay, I be thinking about my nigga and it's hard to fucking rhyme. No, I'm saying when you get out, no, niggas gon' be straight. You feel me? Really getting money now, nigga. I be just thinking, you know. Ay, and I be thinking all the time. Ay, it's like I'm dreaming all the time. Ay, ay, and these hoes on my line. Ay, I wish I had the world. Ay, I wish the world was mine. Ay, and I put that on the hood. I ain't never understood why these niggas hate me when I'm doing what I could. Tryna make it out, I be stacking in the drought. Gotta love this money cause it keep you in they mouth, right? Sad to say,
so we're here, as you can see, King's Dominion.
on a go-karts.
They're 60 and 7.9 seconds. I gap anybody. 268 horsepower, 250 pound-feet of torque. Brembo brakes. What? Premium suspension. I got the sport mode and the eco mode. I can beat anybody in eco mode too.
What the fuck? Can you
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.